I'm gonna show you guys how to install Affinity by Canva in Linux. It's natively a Windows app. It's not available in Linux, but it's possible. First, let's open our browser and we're gonna go to the releases section. Inside releases, we'll find the installation file. We're gonna be installing it through Wine. It lets you run Windows apps in Linux. Let's install the app image file. Let me just save the file. There are details of the app available in the GitHub website. You can read them if you want to. They have the details for the installation and stuff available there. As you can see, our file has been installed here. My download is finished. Let's open the file directory. I'm going to change it to another folder so it's easy to follow. I'm going to just put it into music folder. Let's open this folder in terminal. I'm going to right click and open in terminal here. After the terminal has been opened, we're gonna go back and copy the name of the file, the complete name of the Affinity file. Let's go back to the terminal and we're gonna write chmod plus x and then paste the name of the file. Let's click enter. Now let's write dot slash and then paste the name of the file. It's gonna make the file an executable and it's gonna run the file. Basically it runs through Wine. As I said, it uses Wine to run the Windows app. It will launch the app directly just like that. As you can see, the app has been launched. You can use it and it's easy. It's almost like Photoshop, but it's free. It's by Canva actually. You have Canva AI and stuff. But the problem happens when you try to launch the app just by itself. The app will launch, but it'll eventually crash instantly because Wine is not running. So you'll need to make it an executable file always. So instead of going to the terminal every time, you can actually make a start menu entry, so you can launch it from there, and the start menu entry will directly launch it through Wine. For that, let's open our terminal. Inside the terminal, we're going to paste this command. This will make a folder called applications in your home folder. Then we will move the app image into the applications folder. Then we can make a start menu entry. Here in the move command, make sure the music part is whatever folder your file is in. Mine is in music, yours will be where you saved it. Then we're gonna again make it into an executable file. Write chmod plus x and paste the file name. Now if I go to my home folder, let me just zoom out, we can find the application folder and we have our app image inside the home folder. That's what we want, inside the application folder. Now if we search for Affinity, as you can see it's there, but there's no logo and stuff. So let's click edit app and then we're gonna add a new app inside graphics. Let's add a new one, new item, name it Affinity, and I click OK. And as you can see, Affinity has been added. Now let's give it the logo. You can edit and add the logo. Click OK. Let's drop it to the top level of the graphics. Now let's add the details for the app. We're going to go to the program section and we're going to add the program file directory. Let's go back to the folder. We're going to copy the location of the file and then we're going to paste it here in the program section. Next, we're going to go to the advanced and we're going to turn on run in terminal and then copy the applications / affinity part and at the start write dot slash. This means it will always start through Wine. Whenever you open it, it will start through Wine. As you can see, it's available now in the start menu. Let's try opening it now. And it will open through the terminal. That's fine. You just have to keep the terminal in the background. It will be fine. And as you can see, Affinity has been launched. Through this way, it will launch anytime you want to launch it through Wine and it will not have any crash or anything. In order to run the app smoothly, I would recommend you at least have 8 GB RAM. Otherwise, your PC might not have enough RAM and it will run out of the RAM and the app will crash. So having extra RAM would be really nice.
Element of surprise!